Guys, if you like this type of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and enjoy. Balboa Park, San Diego. Balboa Park is a 1,200-acre, 490 hectares, historic urban cultural park in San Diego, California. Placed in reserve in 1835, the park site is one of the oldest in the United States dedicated to public recreational use. The park hosts various museums, theaters, restaurants, and the San Diego Zoo. It is managed and maintained by the Parks and Recreation Department of the City of San Diego. Balboa Park hosted the 1915-16 Panama, California Exposition and 1935-1936 California Pacific International Exposition, both of which left architectural landmarks. The park and its historic exposition buildings were declared a National Historic Landmark and National Historic Landmark District in 1977 and placed on the National Register of Historic Places. Park attractions. Balboa Park contains museums, gardens, attractions, and venues. Museums. San Diego Natural History Museum.
Centro Cultural de la Raza.
Comic-Con Museum, George W. Marston House, Mingay International Museum, Museum of Photographic Arts, Museum of Us, Reuben H. Fleet Science Center, San Diego Air and Space Museum, San Diego Art Institute, San Diego Automotive Museum, San Diego History Center, San Diego Model Railroad Museum, San Diego Museum of Art, San Diego Natural History Museum, Timken Museum of Art, Veterans Museum and Memorial Center, Gardens, the Botanical Building, 1935, Old, Cactus Garden, Alcazar Garden, Australian Garden, Botanical Building, California Native Plant Garden,
Casa del Rey Moro Garden,
Desert Garden, Florida Canyon Native Plant Preserve, Marston House Garden, George Washington Carver Children's Ethnobotany Garden, Inez Grant Parker Memorial Rose Garden, Japanese Friendship Garden, Lily Pond, Palm Canyon, Trees for Health Garden, Veterans Memorial Garden, Zorro Garden, San Diego Zoo, Spanish Village Arts Center, Balboa Park Activity Center, Balboa Park Carousel, built in 1910 and located in Balboa Park since 1922. It was originally in the location where the Fleet Science Center is now, and was moved to its current spot near the zoo entrance in 1968. It retains most of its 100-year-old original equipment, 52 hand-carved wooden animals and 4 chariots, a 10-horsepower General Electric motor, same music, same oil paintings. Balboa Park Club, Balboa Park Lawn Bowling Greens, Rube Powell Archery Range, Balboa Stadium,
Casa de Balboa, Casa del Prado,
home of San Diego Youth Symphony and the San Diego Junior Theater, Electricettes, 1915 electric-powered wicker carts, House of Pacific Relations International Cottages, Morley Field Sports Complex, Balboa Park Golf Course, Bud Kearns Memorial, Swimming Pool, Morley Field Archery Range, Morley Field Ballpark and Baseball, Softball Complex, Morley Field Bocce Ball Courts, Morley Field Cross Country Course, Morley Field Disc Golf Course, Morley Field Dog Park, Morley Field Petanquiadrome, Morley Field Remote Control Race Car Track, Morley Field Tennis Stadium and Balboa Tennis Club Complex, San Diego Velodrome, Municipal Gymnasium, Old Globe Theater, Palisades Building, home of Recital Hall and the Marie Hitchcock Puppet Theater. San Diego Zoo. The zoo operates the Balboa Park Miniature Train, 16 in, 406 mm gauge. Spanish Village Arts Center, home of the San Diego Mineral and Gem Society.
Spreckels Organ Pavilion.
Starlight Bowl, War Memorial Building, World Beat Cultural Center. I would like to thank you for watching my videos. Continue with the beautiful images of this place. Sign up. Click like to let me know that you liked the video and share it with the people you would like to bring here. He cares for himself.